Here one more circular from VTU that is related to filling of online examination form. That is for Bachelor of Architecture, Master of Architecture, BE, BTech, BPlan, MBA, MCA and MTech. So that is only for the eligible students who are intent to write the exam during August-September 2020. The schedule of the events. So this is to be strictly adhered to these dates. Communication of passwords to the students from college who are willing to fill the examination form. That is from the eligible students. So that is from 3rd of August to 4th of August. So the communication of passwords to the students from the college. Filling of examination application forms by the students or by the college. 4th of August to 8th of August. College to approve the application forms submitted by the students. 5th of August to 9th of August. Once the application form is submitted to the college, the generation of the hall ticket is on 11th 8 2020, August 11th. Next, submission of fee collected from the students by the college to the university on or before 18th of August. So while filling the application form, the one should follow these instructions. These are mainly related to the students. If the students is willing to apply the examination application form. Examination application form filling is allowed between 7 AM to 10 PM during the scheduled working days. The facility of online filling of examination application form is provided to the students for the first time due to COVID-19. The students can fill the application, can file the application from their own home or home place. After filling the application by uploading photo, student can take a printout of the application. The printout thus taken shall be signed by the student and submitted to the college by electronic means such as email, WhatsApp along with a prescribed fee. This time the students has to fill the examination form. The mode of submission of application and payment of fee to the college is to be decided by the college and informed to the students. The students must complete the process of finalizing his or application submission, taking printout, making payment of the examination fee and submission of all the details to the college as per the instruction of the college before 3 PM on 8th of August 2020. In case of any difficulties, the students can request the college to file his or her application form from the college. If the student facing difficulty in filling the application form, in such cases, he should ask the college, he should request the college. In such case, the necessary inputs like photo, subjects to be applied are to be submitted to the college as per the instruction issued by the college. In such cases, the students has to send his photo or subjects to be applied for the examination. Those details should be given to the college. In case of discrepancies like missing data in the application or missing student details, students may request the college. Upon information from the student, colleges shall raise a ticket which will be verified and approval process will be initiated as per the norms. Application filling by the students is made available at, so you have to go through this particular site, so where you can have a overview of the examination application form. User ID will be the university number and you must obtain your password from the college. So as I told in the scheduled table, the students has to give the password and the user ID will be your university number. So file your application carefully and take a printout and that verify. Upload your recent passport size. The maximum size of the passport should be maximum 40 KB photo. Next, you are permitted to edit the application any number of times before submission to the college. No corrections in the approved application is permitted once application and PR submitted to the college. So once the approved is happened, there should not any correction takes place. Before that, you can edit n number of times before submission to the college. In case refund, in any case, refund of the fee once paid is not possible. Thoroughly read and familiarize yourself with the special regulations issued by the university. strictly adhere to the standard operating procedures issued by the UGC, state government and university in the conduct of examination. If you want to any clarification regarding that, you just go through this website. On the days of exam, be present in the college campus at least 1 hour 30 minutes before the start of the examination. Wearing of mask and hand gloves at all times and locations is compulsory. Students are permitted to bring and use their own hand sanitizer. If you have any symptoms such as fever, cough, cold, it is a request the college authorities for separate seating arrangements at least 1 day before your exams. Carry your own water bottle, pen, pencil, calculator, data handbook. Do not share your belongings with anybody. Check your belongings and pockets for any written material and electronic devices other than calculator. We should not be result into the malpractice. So these are the certain instructions with respect to the exam conduction of examination as well as the filling of online application exam application form. If you want to any clarification regarding this, just if you request any cycle related to this, I'll put this cycle also.